Having the opportunity to work alongside the VAI Andel Institute as we developed our project-based learning units was incredibly valuable. Having them present to provide immediate feedback as well as guidance on locating experts from our community to come and speak to our classes has really helped us create an unforgettable experience for our students.
We're going to look at a lot of different ways that we can use ChatGPT to do the work that will save us time, make us more efficient.
So this balance between aiming high, really challenging students to grow.
Oh, if that balloon pops. Oh, I don't want to hear it pop.
Maybe it'll be more of a headband.
Yeah.
Seeing that teachers are reaching out for them to really see this is something job embedded, and we are seeing teachers being really successful at implementing projects that are engaging with students, that are making connections to the community, and that are really hands-on.
Between the engaging professional development provided for our staff to the number of resources, tools, and ideas that are shared during the planning process, I am thankful that we were able to partner with the VAI Andel Institute.
That creativity, man.